Hi, this is Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. Today what we're doing on this landscaping project is we're removing all of the black mulch and we're going to put down natural organic mulch. And the reason is this is what you get from that mulch. We don't recommend. We like to use premium double shredded organic hardwood mulch. Puts nutrients back in the soil for the plants and the trees to use, which aids in the health of the plants. The black dyed, red dyed, and red and brown dyed mulch, this scrap wood dyed, has no nutrient value at all for any of the plants or trees that it is placed around. So if you're looking for natural organic hardwood premium shredded mulch, contact me, Tom, at grosheslawnservice.com, or visit our website at grosheslawnservice.com. This is Tom Grosh from Grosh's Lawn Service. Have a wonderful day. Bye.